What's up, guys? It's Ray Meyer, and we are here today in Boerne, Texas, and we are showcasing Perry homes in one of their newest communities at Corley Farms. These homes are 50 wide lots, and we're going to show you and go inside of what $600,000 can get you in Corley Farms in Boerne, Texas. Some of the things about this community that you can expect. There's three builders, Perry Homes, Centex, and Pulte. Right now, there's no HOA community center, but we know that the HOA is $100 a month, and that actually includes internet. So they have internet included with that HOA, which is unheard of. And I think they're going to be starting to do that a lot more often. Another thing is that you can see behind me there's an elementary school that's walking distance from this community. So if you have kids and you want to be able to walk them to school or know that they're in a safe area, this is right off the 10 freeway. So you're minutes, literally less than 5 minutes from 10 freeway access that takes you from Boerne to San Antonio. So we're excited to go in here and show you some of these models. This one in particular starts at 600. So stay tuned and let's go inside. Okay, so this is their model home, and we're gonna go through each little nook and cranny, but we're gonna start off to our left here. You can see the grand ceilings and grand entrance as you come in. Immediately to the left, you're gonna see the first guest bathroom and this guest bedroom coming through here. Let me take off my sunglasses. But you can see this is the model home, so they're gonna have everything staged really well. You got the high ceilings, the modern fixtures, the black hardware on the door handles. These are 8-foot doors, and lots of storage space. So this is just one of the guest bedrooms. There's 2 guest bedrooms on the bottom floor, the other being the primary suite. The other good thing about this model in particular, it also has an office. That's a dedicated space just for an office, so it's not counted as a bedroom. So you have a total of 5 usable rooms. This is the model home, so ignore this little area. This would actually be a wall with a door that's an entrance to the 2-car garage. So moving on, we'll get to the main living areas. You can see all the touches here are pretty top notch. So you can see the tile on the fireplace go all the way up, the high ceilings, the modern fan. And then one of our favorite things about Perry is how they finish their kitchens. So you can see this big quartz countertop here with the blue cabinets and the gold pulls on the cabinets and the drawers. So real good finishes. One thing people want to see that I always try to get in the videos is just the pantry space here. So if you want to swing around me, they use it as kind of a filing center, but definitely fit a lot for a family in there. Stainless steel appliances come standard here. The options that they have for their fixtures here with the light fixtures, Perry does a really good job at their design center, and it's hard not to, choose anything that's above what a standard option is, because they have a lot of pretty upgrades. One of the things you can see here, this obviously flows into the dining room and then over to the living space, and in the backyard. We can step out there real quick, but you see these tall windows are just, let's see if we can edit that. So this patio space, this is typically an upgrade to have this go all the way through, but you can see this covered patio here. It has the ceiling fan fixed, wired for it. It doesn't come standard, but you can choose it as an upgrade. Also, one thing, if you look at the brick here, you can see a lot of homes or a lot of builders may not use the brick all the way around the back side. They might just kind of stop that and use the flashing. So just know Perry does that. I think that's a really good touch here. And if you want to see the back, we can walk out here. You can kind of see the windows too. I love how big their windows are. black finished windows. My girlfriend's a big component of having those. And some of the fixture here, you can see the wood flashing. Some of the fixtures here, that isn't brick. That's actually what some builders use all the way around the backside. So not too certain why they just did it in that section, but just know most of their homes are brick all the way around. Okay, let's go inside and let's go back to the master or primary suite to our left. So this is segmented in the back area, and you can see this with the wood ceiling, the big light fixture, big windows. We love this setup. They have a common theme here with kind of like this slate blue. I'm really liking that. So king bed here, full of furniture, and there's still a lot of elbow space in here. And moving on to the master bathroom suite. So you got his and her sinks, her sink being bigger, but you also have the gold fixtures in here. So you can see these gold fixtures as an option with actually the gold mirror as well. And then also the lights above the mirror. Tub and shower setup. So for those of you who want a soaking tub separately than the shower, this is definitely a good setup here. And they also have the common blue theme that runs all the way through with the gold hardware. And then here, this is just your toilet room. And we have our walk-in closet here, which they use for a little bit of storage, but you can see all the way around for the wives or significant others that take up most of the space in the closet. There's plenty of space. Okay, let's go to the second floor. Oh, and before I miss it, the laundry room's over here. So they're kind of staged, it's in the middle of the house on the bottom floor. But you can see they're using it as, you know, printer space, but you can see it comes with shelves, it has laundry hookups there, and then also just a quick storage closet here, which this is under the stairwell, so they use the space well. Let's go upstairs, and these handrails are one of my favorite touches here. These are really one of my favorite things right now. Features in a home. It just makes everything feel more open, a little bit more modern. So up here, you're gonna find the other two bedrooms, but before we get there, they have the loft set up here as kind of a game room with the TV and obviously the pool table. Lots of space, big open windows for natural light. We love that with the two-tone ceiling. The high ceilings continue here too, so people always talk about, hey, the ceilings are higher on the bottom floor or vice versa, but it's tall all the way throughout. So coming through here, this walkway, you'll walk straight into the guest bathroom up here. This is the only bathroom up here, which they finished really well. And to our left, this is staged as a kid's room, but you can see kind of the shape of this ceiling and the size of this room gives plenty of space for a teenager or even a little one who needs to grow up and is going to be taking up a lot of space as they grow. Last but not least, the last guest bedroom up here. Oh, let's get this linen closet. I'll showcase the storage. This is staged kind of as a guest bedroom. I wouldn't say this is a kid's room, but same size. Doesn't have that little feature on the ceiling there that curves. But this one I think has a little bit different closet setup, which there's two hooks on each side versus all the way across. Okay, so that wraps up the home tour for this model home. This Perry, again, is the 2561 model. They name their models based off the square footage of the home, so just know this one's the 2561. It starts base price in the low 600s, or at 600 if you will, before any upgrades. So if you guys are interested in this community in this particular model. They have several other models available. Please reach out to us. We'd love to tour this community with you. We're gonna have a couple of other inventory homes that we take you through. But if you're just interested in this area, I'll make sure to drop a map on this video so that you can see exactly where you're at in terms of San Antonio to Boerne and towards the, we're minutes from the 10 freeway that takes you from Boerne all the way down to San Antonio. So if you want more information, please shoot us a text, give us a call, send us an email, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Thanks for tuning in.